Don't take American investment advice if you live in Europe. How do you invest if you live in Europe, not America? It happens to both beginners and advanced investors. You read an American investment blog or a YouTube video, only to find that American advice is useless for us Europeans. They suggest funds we can't buy, they recommend brokerages we can't use, and they talk about Roth IRAs and 401k which are not available in Europe. And most importantly, each European country has its own tax system, so the best way to invest is different depending on where you live. As a European investor, it can be challenging to find investment advice that applies to our unique circumstances. That's why I'm here to help. This is the Bullish Aristocrat. And in this channel I would like to share my investing journey, and give you all the tips and advice I wish I knew when I first started investing. So if you find that interesting, then please subscribe to the channel and like this video to help support us in reaching more people. Make sure to press the notification button to stay up to date with new videos that will be uploaded. Investing is not a way for the average European to get rich fast, or a side hustle to make some money in your free time. Investing is a booster for the money you make in your job, or business, and protects you from inflation, and grow it over time. To invest successfully you don't need to study for years, or spend hours and hours in front of your computer every day. If you got a good system, you only need a few hours a year to successfully let your money work for you. First of all, it's important to understand the different investment options available to you in Europe. For example, in most European countries you can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and real estate. The key is to find the investment that aligns with your personal goals and risk tolerance. One important aspect to keep in mind when investing in Europe is tax implications. In some countries, you may be taxed on your investment gains, while in others, you may be exempt. It's important to research the tax laws in your country and understand how they impact your investment strategy. Another important factor to consider is fees. Some investment options come with high fees that can eat into your returns over time. It's important to compare fees between different investment options and choose the one that provides the best value for money. I have made a video about how to select the best ETF for you using an ETF screener. If you haven't watched that already, make sure to check it out. When it comes to investing in stocks, it's important to have a well-diversified portfolio. Diversification helps to minimize your risk by spreading your investment across different companies and industries. You can invest in individual stocks or choose to invest in an ETF or mutual fund that holds a mix of stocks. For bonds, you have the option of investing in government bonds or corporate bonds. Government bonds are considered to be less risky than corporate bonds, but they also tend to offer lower returns. Corporate bonds offer higher returns, but also come with a higher level of risk. When it comes to real estate, you can invest in physical property or choose to invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Physical property can provide steady rental income, but it also comes with high upfront costs and ongoing expenses. REITs offer a more passive form of real estate investment and can provide exposure to a diversified portfolio of properties. I have made another video that includes everything you need to know about REITs. So if you are interested in this sector for investing, make sure to have a look at that video. Additionally, it's important to have a well-thought-out investment strategy and to stick to it. This includes setting investment goals, determining your risk tolerance, and having a clear understanding of your investment timeline. Having a written investment plan can help keep you focused and on track towards your goals. Another important aspect of investing is understanding the risks involved. While investing does have the potential to provide high returns, it also comes with a certain level of risk. The stock market, for example, can be volatile, and the value of your investments can go up or down. One recent example is when the stock market went down by over 20% due to COVID. It's important to understand that there will be ups and downs in your investment journey and to have a long-term perspective. Don't freak out when these downturns happen, because the market will eventually go up again. And if you sold your investments early out of fear, you will miss out on all the possible gains that come later. Finally, it's important to regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio. This includes monitoring your investments, tracking your progress towards your goals, and making changes to your portfolio as necessary. This could include reallocating your investments to better align with your goals, or selling underperforming investments and buying new ones. Regular portfolio reviews are an essential part of a successful investment strategy. I will be making a video in the future to show you how I personally keep track of my portfolio and monitor my investments. In conclusion, the best way to invest in Europe will depend on your personal goals, risk tolerance, and tax situation. It's important to do your research, understand the different investment options available to you, and choose the one that best aligns with your goals. And remember, investing is a long-term game, So don't be afraid to seek professional advice and be patient with your investments. It is required to have a thoughtful approach and a clear understanding of your personal circumstances and goals. By researching your options, having a well-diversified portfolio, and sticking to a long-term strategy, you can increase your chances of success and reach your investment goals. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found it at all helpful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to always be up to date with new videos that will be posted weekly.